Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asrudin. You can call me Rodi. This opportunity I will show how to configure a network socket. Network socket, I think same like NSLookup. NSLookup is used for the how to know your domain system and your IP address in network, and you can create alternative from NSLookup, the name or network socket. You can call the network socket to how to know your domain and your IP address. And this is I will show how to configure network socket in Python, and you can create make a file vim network socket.py. Okay, and you can call the module also import socket. This module useful for to IP address and domain. And you can create a variable hostname and input your domain, and next step you create variable again IP address, and you can call the socket get hostname. You can call the hostname. This is a module to call the IP address. Okay, enough. After that, you can print okay your domain and call the hostname and print again for the your IP, your IP address. Call the hostname, call the variable IP address. Socket get hostbyname. I think enough. This all. Okay, we can try running Python 3 network socket. Facebook.com. Okay, it's successful. And this is alternative NSLookup. If you want to use NSLookup, NSLookup Facebook.com. You can find the IP address same with your network socket. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I think that's all talking about network socket. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.